In this video, I'm going to show you how to drive free traffic from traffic exchanges, and I will give you 3 of the traffic exchange websites that I use on a daily basis. What's up, web workers? Ammar here, and if you want to learn how to get free traffic from traffic exchanges, let me first explain this. The traffic exchanges are an interesting way to get free traffic to your blogs, websites, list building funnels, and online stores. If you're just starting an online business and you haven't any email list or social media following, traffic exchanges can help you get fast, free traffic. However, before you learn to use these websites and generate free traffic from them, you need to know that the traffic exchanges don't give you long-term traffic or steady growth. So they are not recommended methods for the long run. The best thing to do is to work on getting free SEO and social media traffic, and when you need some fast traffic, you can use traffic exchanges to drive it. Sometimes you can bring high quality visitors and generate highly qualified leads from traffic exchanges if you really know how to use them. And before I dive into this, here is a small disclaimer before I show you the methods. Please avoid using traffic exchanges if you are running AdSense on your websites. I mean, even if in this video I'm showing you only legit manual traffic exchanges which do not harm the websites that have AdSense on them. But sometimes, the traffic exchanges themselves bring traffic from bots. So if you have AdSense on your websites and before you use any traffic exchange, do some research and make sure that it's not receiving automatic clicks or bot-generated visits, which is not the case for the websites I'm going to show you today. Alright, now if you are new to this channel, please support it by subscribing, liking the video, and or dropping a comment in the comment section. I'll be back personally to answer your questions. The first website I'm going to talk about is LIGIT, which is a premium traffic exchange that has also multiple options and multiple tools that you can use. But the main goal here is to explain how to get free traffic from this website. So it works like this. You see the ads that are on the right hand side here, which involve a banner, a title, a description, and a link. So these are the ads that are shown on LIGIT. And so if you want to put an ad on LIGIT, it will take you a banner, a title, a description, and a link. The banner is a little bit special. It has a size of 375 pixels by 250. And these ads here are shown on LIGIT itself, and also they are shown on a big variety of other publisher websites. So the publisher website owners will come here, take a widget code and put it on their websites so that it will show these ads here. So the traffic that you will be receiving will be coming from LIGIT itself and other approved publishers by LIGIT. Now, when you are a free member, you are given 3 ads to post here. So like here, I am putting this same ad on 3 spots. I have this banner, the title, the description. I change the title and change the description each time. And in order for your ads to be shown, you have to earn credits. And to earn credits, all you have to do is click on the other member ads, and you will add credits like that. If I refresh the page, you will see that the ads are changing every time I refresh the page. Now, when you are a paid member of the LIGIT website, you can go to this section here where it says Post Pro Ads. Because you will be a pro member, you have 10 ads to put or to submit to LIGIT. So 10 of them, each one of them has a banner, a title, and a description. And if you can see here at the top, these are the stats of my 10 ads. I received a total of 9,932 visits, and in the last 7 days, or the past 7 days, I had 347 clicks on my ads and visits to my websites. And the most important thing here is that you don't have to click any other members' ads in order to earn credits. You don't need credits at all, and your ads will be rotated on the website and on the publishers' websites all the time. An important tip here is that you need to craft a very attractive and converting banner, title, and description. So you see, if I click on refresh, you will see the other members' banners and titles, and then you can check the most attractive and try to make something similar or even better. So your main goal will be drive a maximum of visits to your websites or to your offers, but also convert them after that to email subscribers or to buyers. And when you come to these websites and you do everything to post your ads and everything, please take a look at the other options. I'm sure that you will like them. You can make landing pages, you can have also an autoresponder. So there are lots of options that you can use on this great website. Another great website to drive targeted traffic to your websites if you are in the BizUp or make money online niche is bannerwiz.com. This is a nice website where you can post regular 468 by 60 banners like these ones here, and you can see that I am posting up to 26 banners here because I'm a pro member. And I have like 1 million of credits that I assigned to all my banners here. And if you see, I can check the stats. For example, this banner here got 47 clicks, 23 clicks, 18 clicks, and if I go up, this banner here has 28 clicks. If you are a free member and you want to generate credits for your ads, you need to come to free credits here at the bottom, and then you will see other members banners, and every time you click a banner you earn 50 credits. So you will gather credits and then assign them to your, don't forget to assign them to your banners by going to add banners, and then put the number of credits you have here and click add credits. Another great thing about this website is that you can change the banners anytime you want. So if I want to delete this banner, I just click here, delete the banner, and these credits here will go back to your account, and then if you add a different banner you can reassign them to that new banner. Alright, so we have Bannerwiz and LIGIT, which are two great websites for manual traffic exchange. The quality of the traffic is great. I had lots of conversions using these two websites here, but you need really to craft beautiful banners and also write attractive titles in the case of LIGIT. Now there is a third website that I want to show you, but this one will be more email than banners, and it's also a very nice website where I got lots of conversions from it. And this website is called Email List Pros, email list pros. You will find a link in the description if you want to register under me. So it will be my affiliate link as well as the other websites. So when you come to this website here, you can earn credits. You can earn credits, and those credits you can use them to use the daily mailer, which is I can mail today, October the 13th, but not now. Later at 7 p.m. I'll be able to mail. But what you can do also is buy ads, and then you go at the bottom here and you purchase a solo ad, which costs $5 or 5,000 credits, which is the way we are going to do it in this video. So we want to gather 5,000 credits, very easy to do, and then purchase a solo ad and send it, and it will go to all the members of the website. So now, as you can see here, I have 2,876 credits, and if I want more, I just go to my email address, to my email account, where I dedicated this address here, this email here, only for traffic exchanges. So I don't use it for anything else. I use it only for traffic exchanges. And then on the search bar, I select, or I type email list pros, so I can see only the emails or the ads coming from email list pros. And then look at this. If I open this solo ad and I click on this link here, I will earn 190 credits. So if I open 10 of these, I will earn 1,900 credits. And there's a countdown here. When it goes to 0, it says here 190 credits have been added to your account. So let me just close this window and then go back to this website. I have this number here, but if I refresh the page, now it says 3,066 credits. So I will keep doing that until I reach 5,000, and then I will get back to you in a second. Here, I went back to my inbox and clicked a few ads from other members, and now I have 5,186 credits. So I did not finish all what I had, but I come here like every 1 day, 2 days, and then click few ads to gather enough credits to buy a solo ad. So once I have this number here, 5,000 credits, I go here, buy ads, and then I scroll down. There are multiple types of ads that you can purchase, but I prefer solo ads. So the cost is 5,000. I click on this button here that says pay using credits, and then it says thank you, and then if I click here, I will be going to set up the solo ad. And here, of course, you have all the different types of ads, and here you have the solo ads. So these are all the solo ads that I sent. You can see that the number of clicks, and sometimes it's converting very well. Sometimes you have like 37, 41, 40 clicks by solo ad. Now you have this mention here that says one available ad solo. So you click here, you have, and here is the page where you can set up your solo ad and send it or submit it. So you want to put a subject line here, which needs to be crafted very well so that you can increase the open rate. And then the website URL that you are advertising, it can be a lead capture page or just your website, and then the body text of your message, and then you click on submit. So I will get back later here to send the email. So on this video we saw two websites that uses mainly banners, and the third website is this one that I personally, you can use banners on it, you can use login ads, but I personally prefer using solo ads and also the mailer, the regular mailer. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and or drop a comment to support the channel. Thank you very much for watching the video, and I will see you on the next one.